up YouTube, and welcome back to the DIY Beard. My name's Jez and I'm the man behind the beard, and today we decided to take a little bit of a trip outside of the garage, and we're visiting Superbike Factory to have a look at what bikes they've got available. So let's take a walk around, and what we'll do is we'll have a look at what are some of my favourite bikes around here, what's caught my eye, and hopefully, you never know, we might find the next project bike. Now, if you haven't already done so, please do like and subscribe. I am trying to get some videos out to you at least once a week, and subscribing is really helping the channel out, so I'd really appreciate it. But stay tuned and let's have a walk around Superbike Factory. Managed to find another XC950 but white. So this has got white walls, looks to have Vance and Hines, and it also looks to have the Vance and Hines air intake, so I'd really like something like this on mine. You never know, it may be something that will coming on. Now, one thing I have also noticed as well is they've got an SCR here, and that actually comes with a black gas cap, which I've actually been recommended by another subscriber already, so that might be something that makes an appearance on the channel very soon. Right then guys, we are now back in the garage, as you can see, just because I couldn't do a lot of talking while we were at Superbike Factory due to them having a radio on, and I didn't want to end with any copyright infringement due to anything playing in the background. But as you can see, that place had a huge variety of bikes available. They've got every single brand possibly conceivable, every style of bike, from cruisers, sports bike, tourers, adventure bikes, you name it, I think they've got it. Some of the bikes are absolutely beautiful. For those that have checked out the footage before, I especially like that Rocket. It feels like it's a little bit glam, but you know what, it was really different and I've never seen anything like that before, so you know, hats off to the guy that built that, and I'm sure somebody will snap that off their hands. Now I purchased a bike for my father in October last year. We went down and he saw a Ducati 998, decided that he wanted it, made an offer that was accepted, and we had some really good terms with Superbike Factory, and I can't really fault them, to be honest. There was some confusion over where the bike was, just because they were swapping from their old showroom to their new one, but they tried to help as best they could. They were very helpful. The only problem we had was on the day that we went to go and make a purchase, they were incredibly busy after just taking up their new showroom, and we had to wait for it. And that's really the only problem we had. The after sales care, we haven't really needed anything, but the bike's done exactly what it needed to. We got free delivery as well. Now the reason that I mentioned that is I know some people have said in the past that they had a bad experience with Superbike Factory. The bike's cold and they haven't quite been as expected, etc. You know what? I think you're always going to get that when you buy it sold sight unseen online. You know, if you're gonna purchase something, go and see it. Go and have a look around. Ask if you can start it up, etc. Those bikes are a hell of a lot cheaper than most other places on the market, and I think that's because they buy them and they just flip them. So some of them were still dirty, some of them look like they've not been looked after at all, but as a company I can't really fault them. You know, at the end of the day, they're there to sell and flip bikes as fast as possible, so it's up to you. And I'm definitely going to be looking at it from a next project point of view. Once we've got the bolt all built up and we've made some headway on the GSXR, I'll definitely be looking there, see if we can find a nice little bargain. It was nice to see that they got another white one. It was nowhere as nice as the one that I've managed to build in front of me here. I am a little bit biased, I know. Anyway, that's enough about Superbike Factory. Let's move on to something that I am really, really proud of, and that's I've received my first little freebie from a subscriber and somebody that I've been talking to for a long time now, which is Paul Mack. So for those that don't know Paul runs the Bolt Riders UK Facebook page, and we did a bit of an update video, I think it was a couple of weeks ago now. And following that video, he said he was going to send me some Bolt Rider UK freebies, and this is what we have. So he sent me a variety of patches that he makes. So we've got the Bolt Riders UK patch there, we've got the Yamaha Bolt sign patch, and then we've got the Bolt Brotherhood first reunion ride, which is coming later on in the year, along with a t-shirt and a really, really quality badge. So I really, really appreciate that, Paul. For those that haven't already done so and do own a Yamaha Bolt, or even if you don't, to be honest, go and check that Facebook page out. I will put a link in the description again for you. The guys on there are really, really welcoming, very, very knowledgeable, and Paul sells all of this himself, and I can hand on heart say the quality is outstanding. And if you are a Yamaha Bolt owner, this is the sort of gear you need to get. So thanks again, Paul, and I hope to catch you later on in the year at one of the rides across Telford. So the next bit is I reached out to a bloke called Angus. Now Angus I found on the Doghouse Customs page. It's not his page, but he is a regular poster on there, and he was showing some 3D printing that he did for Craig Jones of the Doghouse Customs. And I basically asked him, is this something he could do for me? And this is what he came up with. So this is a 3D printed version of the DIY beard. Now the reason that I asked for that is, for those that own a Bolt, you know when you take this rear tail light off, which is what I want to get rid of next, there is a hole that is left in your rear mudguard. So what I've done is I've asked him to produce me this so that I can actually place that on top if my camera will focus, and actually cover the hole. Now I know it's flat, and there's a couple of options. I can either make a mould out of silicone, which I'm really interested in doing because I don't want to ruin this either, Angus. I want to keep this and maybe put that up on the wall. Or what I can do is I can just heat it up, mould it over the rear mudguard, and then sort of fix that in place once we take that tail light off. So please let me know in the comments below which you want to see me do. I'd be really interested in making the mould, but if you guys want me just to put this one on, I really don't mind, and we'll get that done for you guys. Anyway, that's enough of me rambling. I just want to point out that I'm not going to be attending Auto Bright on the 5th of April anymore. Unfortunately, I received an email from them this morning just to say that due to this coronavirus outbreak, we are going to be postponing that event, and they're going to let me know when they're going to be next doing that. They're going to be keeping everybody up to date via their Facebook page and their website, and hopefully when they decide to do that again, we'll be invited, and then anybody that wants to can come and have a look at the work on the XV. In the meantime, that gives me plenty of things that I can do, so I want to do a bit more of a detailing series on it just to get rid of some of the swirl marks, especially on the front and rear mudguard, because black is showing up all the swirls on there. And anyway, so please, if you haven't already done so, please. Anyway, that, like I said, that gives me a little bit of a chance to do a bit more on the bike. So we've got some fork gaiters that I want to get fitted and I want to get on order. Obviously removing the rear tail light. Generally just doing the detailing series, so carrying on with that in the meantime. But that's enough of me sort of rambling on now. If you haven't already done so, please do give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, definitely hit that subscribe button along with that bell notification, because you know what, you might as well, because I'm releasing videos all the time and you know you want to keep updated every time I release one. Anyway, like I said, let's wrap this up. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you again soon.